Hello everyone, welcome to the video. We will now move further toward another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this frog. For this you just have to write down the two number in the opposite direction also. Then you just have to place down the A from the upper area, and after that you just have to fix the limbs properly one after the another. We will try to make another kitty, but this one is in some different position, like it's just in the sleeping position. You just have to make the D shape and over it a circular shape, and after that the tail portion, the rest of the features are to be filled like the cute little eyes, and you can not forget the whiskers. Let's now move towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this sunflower. First you just have to make a circle at the center, and you just have to mark the four lines as shown here. That's the vertical one and the horizontal one, and after that you just have to build the whole petals and the sepal portion over the area that's shown here. Fill it with some beautiful colors. Let's try to make some of the red roses. For this one you just have to write some of the alphabet Y, and after that you just have to make the larger one. Then you just have to fix them properly. You just have to make the leaves and the stalk portion. This activity is simple and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. We will now move further towards another activity. First, you just have to make these two bent lines over which you are going to build the rest of the features of this cute little bunny, and you just have to follow the each step properly. This activity is very simple and it's best suitable for the girls because it's somewhat girlish one. We will try to make another cartoon character. For this one you just have to make elongated cylindrical shape at the top and lower portion. You just have to make the round, and the limbs are to be made, antennae are also made, and then the facial features are to be added. You can fill it with some bright colors. Let's move further and try to make this cute little Snoopy inspired dog. For this one you just have to first make a heart shape that it's going to hold in its limbs, and then the rest of the features are to be made. Follow the each step properly and fill it with colors. Let's move towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this another type of the bunny. First you just have to make the lower body of the bunny, and after that the upper head that's somewhat round or squarish in shape. Then the rest of the features are to be added like we are doing here. This activity is simple. We will try to make this cute little dog. You just have to first make the body portion that's inspired somewhat from the number 6, and the one you just have to build it over. Ears are also made inspired from the number 6 and fill it with some bright colors. Let's try to make a cute little tiny house. You just have to make use of some geometrical shapes like the triangle, rectangle, and the square one. This is very simple. It's simplest of the all, and it's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Don't forget to make the garden and the birds in the background. Let's move further towards another activity. Here again we are going to show you how we can make a cute little card. You just have to write down the number 4, and then you just have to build all these lines, circles, squares, everything in it. It will convert into the card. Next we are going to show you how we can make a police card. For this one you just have to make the plus sign at the center and the two circles, and join all these lines together and follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. One after the another we are doing this. Let's move further towards another activity. First, make the shape that is somewhat similar to the water drop, and you just have to make the similar shape from the opposite direction, and it will represent a garlic. Let's move further towards our another character. For this one we have to make some of the circles one after the another in the opposite directions, and then you just have to join them properly. Just pause the video and follow the each step properly. It's actually somewhat the Spongebob type of the character that we are going to do here. Here we are going to show you how we can make a cute little cat. You just have to make the two circles. Upper one is somewhat smaller, the lower one is elongated. Don't forget to make the whiskers, ears, and the limbs, and the cute little tiny tail. So the cat is ready for meowing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.